Dear students, welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson. Lesson number 7, etiquettes. Etiquettes. Okay, now what is etiquette? The code of polite behavior in society or among members of a particular group. Okay, now let us read more about it. Etiquette is merely a set of guidelines for politeness. Politeness means respectful behavior and good manners. The kindness with which we should always treat each other. It will always matter. Okay. Activities of some children are given here under. Take right the correct action and cross the wrong one. Judge. After reading the lesson, you have to judge who among them is the most well-behaved child and whom would you like to follow. Okay, now look at this picture. Here in this picture, when Yash goes to watch a movie, he sits there silently and watches the movie without disturbing others. Okay, when Yash goes to watch a movie in a theater, he sits there silently, okay, and watches movie without disturbing others. Okay, so it is the correct action. Now look at this picture. Here Tushar uses his mobile phone in the theater. He talks to his friends loudly and disturb others. Like Yash, Tushar also goes to watch a movie in a theater, but there he uses his mobile phone and talks to his friends loudly and disturb others. Okay, so it is very bad manners. It is wrong action. Now look at this picture. Here Sia keeps silence when she goes to visit any patient in the hospital. Student, it is very good manners that when you visit any patient, when you goes to visit any patient in the hospital, you keep silence there. Okay, so it is the correct action. Now look at this picture. Here Ria has the habit of listening to loud music while traveling in a bus. Okay, Ria has the habit of listening very loud music, okay, while traveling in a bus. So the passenger get disturbed. So it is very bad manners. Okay, it is a wrong action. Now look at this picture. Here in this picture, Lavisha always takes book from the library shelf and puts them back in proper place after reading. Students, it is very good manners that after reading or studying, you have to keep your books back in the shelves. Okay, so it is the correct action. Now we will move to our next page. Okay, here in this picture, Harpreet respects all the religions. He says that God is one. Student, it is very good manners that you have to respect all the religions. Why? Because God is one. Now look at this picture. Here Kuldeep always stand near the door while traveling by the local train. Kuldeep always stand near the door. Okay, students, it is very dangerous to stand near the door while traveling by the local train or any train. Why? Because he must fall down or he must lose his life. Okay, na? So it is wrong action. Now look at this picture. Himani never litters rubbish here and there and does not allow others to do so. Student, it is very bad manners. Okay, that we should litters rubbish means waste material here and there. So here Himani never litters means it is very good behavior. Okay, it is very good manners. So it is the correct action. Okay, now look at this picture. Here in this picture, while traveling by a public bus, Shreya spoils the seat covers. Okay, when she travel by a public bus, okay, she spoils the seat covers. Student, it is very bad manners that we should spoils the public property. Okay, So it is the wrong action. Now look at this picture. Here in this picture, if a stranger offers anything to Tushar, stranger means unknown person. If any unknown person offers chocolate, ice creams or any eating thing to Tushar, he simply refuses to accept it. He simply refuses it. Okay? He didn't take it. So it is the correct action. Okay, now we will move to our next lesson. Okay, next lesson, lesson number 8, endangered animals. Endangered animals. Now what is endangered animals? Okay, endangered animals mean many animals living on earth today are endangered. What is the meaning of endangered? Endangered means to be in danger, which means they are at a risk of becoming extinct, means to die. Okay, to die. Now, let us read. Many animals living on earth today are endangered, which means they are at risk of becoming extinct. The meaning is dying out on earth. Okay, now here, pictures of some endangered animals are given below. Match them with their names. Okay, here we have pictures of endangered animal. We have to match with their names. Okay, look at this picture number 1. Here, it is a picture of a orangutan. Okay, orangutan is at risk of getting endangered. Orangutan is at risk of getting endangered due to habitat destruction. What do you mean by habitat? The natural home for plants and animals is called as habitat. So what do you mean by habitat destruction? Habitat destruction means the forests are getting destructed. People are cutting down trees and illegal hunting is also responsible for their endangered. Okay, they have been hunted. Okay, so it is at the danger of getting extinct. Orangutan is found in Southeast Asia. Okay, now look at picture number 2. Look at picture number 2. It is a picture of ivory-billed woodpecker. Ivory-billed woodpecker. Okay, now it is hunted. It is hunted for food. So, overhunting and habitat destruction are two reasons why this bird is endangered. It is found in United States of America. Okay, now look at this picture number 3. It is a picture of Siberian tiger. It is a picture of Siberian tiger. Okay. The Siberian tiger is endangered because of poaching. Because of poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting. Okay. It is found in Southeast Russia. Okay. Now look at this picture. It is a picture of Javan rhinoceros. Javan rhinoceros. Here. Okay. Now these rhinoceros are hunted. These rhinoceros are hunted for their horns. So they are getting endangered. They are found in Indonesia. Okay. Now look at this picture number 5. Here it is a picture of greater bamboo lemur. Okay. Greater bamboo lemur are called endangered. Okay, are called endangered means their life is endangered. Why? Because of deforestation. And illegal hunting is also responsible. Okay, so lemurs are cousins of monkeys and apes. Okay, lemurs are cousins of monkeys and apes. Now look at this picture number 6. It is a picture of whooping crane. Whooping crane. Okay, it is only crane species found in North America. Okay, it is only found in North America. Regular hunting and loss of habitat are the reason why the birds are getting endangered. Okay, now look at this picture number 7. It is a picture of sea turtle. Okay, they are killed for their eggs, shells, and skin. They eat plastic found in the water. They eat plastic found in the water, which is killing them. They are found in the east coast of USA. Okay. Now look at this picture number 8. It is a picture of Amur leopard. It is a picture of Amur leopard. Okay. So, Amur leopard are hunted for their skin. They are hunted for their skin and they are found in East Russia and northeast of China. Okay. Can you see this corner? Okay. What is written here? The woolly spider monkey is slowly disappearing. Why this is disappeared? Because they are hunted for food and fur. But its natural habitat means their home. Okay. Natural habitat is being destroyed. By logging and mining. Okay. By logging and mining. Okay, students, what is the meaning of logging? Logging means an act. Logging means an act of cutting down of trees for their wood. And what is the meaning of mining? Mining means an act of extract ores, coal from mines. Okay. Okay, student. Now, how we can save this endangered animal? What is our duty? We have to save our animal. Okay, we can save them by growing more and more trees. Also by not throwing waste here and there. And by not killing animals. Okay, we always try to protect them. Okay, students, read the lesson 7 and 8 carefully. Watch video properly. Okay, thank you.